Hi, Pat and Rick. That is right. In fact, at LAX already seeing a record high of 86 degrees today. Camarillo seeing a record high, tying a record high of 82. We're getting those numbers in right now, so I'll have more for you in just a moment. But take a look at our current temperatures. It got so hot, close to triple digits right now. San Bernardino coming in at 99 degrees, 98 in Riverside. Temperature still warm in Burbank into the low 90s. Tomorrow's going to be another very warm day. We had the showers and the thunderstorms yesterday from the remnants of Fabio. Still a little residual moisture out there, so we're starting to see a few light showers popping up over the mountain areas right over in San Bernardino and Barstow, seeing a few light showers right now, but most of that moisture has moved to the north and the east. We will continue to dry up and warm up over the next few days. We'll talk more about that, and then another chance of rain into the weekend. I'll have more on your full 5-day forecast in just a few minutes. Pat, back to you. That's right. You know what? We actually had some heat today. We broke some records at LAX, 86 degrees. So the reason for that is we started to switch to more of an offshore flow here at home. And you can see we had sunny skies from the coast to those inland locations. Yesterday, we had showers and even some pop-up thunderstorms. Those have since started to push off to the north and east. But in the meantime, just a beautiful evening out there right now after a very warm day. Many inland locations got into the upper 90s. Tomorrow's going to be another warm day inland, but at the coast, temperatures will be cooler. I'll show you the weather setup in just a moment, but take a look at how hot it got downtown today. We even made it into the 90s, so about 5 degrees off of record downtown. The normal high should be into the mid-80s. We'll be back to normal for tomorrow in the downtown area. Currently, we're into the mid-80s downtown at the coast, even into the upper 70s still from Long Beach to the Laguna Niguel. Still into the mid-90s in San Bernardino, 95 degrees at this hour in Palm Springs. And the winds are still coming in out of the south and the west. So we've got the onshore flow back into place. And what that's going to do is bring some clouds and fog in along the coast tonight through tomorrow morning. There is all that moisture from the remnants of Fabio that brought us the showers and thunderstorms yesterday. That is getting pushed off to our north and east. Still a little bit of residual moisture out there right now. So a couple of pop-up showers over the mountain areas. We can't rule that out tonight. But for the most part, we're going to dry out as this area of low pressure brings us an offshore flow over the next few days. But as we head into about Sunday into Monday, a ridge of high pressure will start to build in. And what that's going to do is pull in some monsoonal moisture into our areas. So remember what happens when we get that monsoonal moisture. Temperatures start to warm up. We get the showers and even the possible thunderstorms, and our humidity will be on the rise. So that will be the case again next work week. But in the meantime, the next few days looking pretty good. It's still going to be warm in those inland locations. In fact, the hottie starting tomorrow through the weekend. But again, by Sunday, Monday into Tuesday, that monsoonal moisture pushes in. So don't be surprised if we've got another chance of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. Pat and Rick, back to you.
Isn't it?
It sure is, Rick. In fact, we had a record high today at LAX of 86 degrees, breaking the old record of 84 set back in 1951. Camarillo tying an old record, 82 for the high. Right now, we are anywhere from 85 degrees downtown, mid-70s now at LAX, but still into the 90s in Burbank. And look at San Bernardino and Riverside into the mid to upper 90s, getting warmer inland tomorrow, but cooler at the coast. I will have more on that, and then we'll talk about that next chance of rain in the 5-day forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Rick, back to you.
All right.